Welcome students. I am Mrs. Patil Yasadi from AGM College Karad, subject English. Students, today we are going to learn one grammar topic, use of articles. Use of articles. An article is a word used to modify a noun which is a person, place, object or idea. The articles are the words a and the. A and the. They define whether something is specific or unspecific. There are two types of articles. There are two types of articles. First is definite article. Definite article. The is the definite article, and another type is indefinite article. Indefinite article. A and an are the indefinite article. Firstly, we are going to see what is meant by definite article. Definite article. You know, the is the definite article. The is called the definite article. It defines its noun as something specific. Something specific. Word specific is very important here. Something specific, something previously mentioned. Something previously mentioned, something unique. Something unique and something being identified by the speaker. Means definite article means something specific, previously mentioned, something unique and something being identified by the speaker. You will see one example. This is the lake. This is the lake. This is a previously specified lake, that is one already known to the readers. So here use of the. See, there is the lake. This is a previously mentioned, previously specified lake, that is one already known to the readers. Then second type of article is indefinite article. Indefinite article. You know, a and an are the indefinite articles. A and an are called as indefinite articles. They define their noun as something unspecific. something unspecific. Word unspecific is very important here. Unspecific. Say something mentioned for the first time. Something unspecific or something mentioned for the first time. See one example. This is a lake. This is a lake. Here a has used because this is a previously unspecified lake. Then we will see one example to identify whether it is definite article or indefinite article. See, I am not a troublemaker. I am not a troublemaker. Here, a is indefinite article. Indefinite article. See, I am not the troublemaker. I am not the troublemaker. Here, the is definite article. Definite article. See, now we are going to see how to use or where to use article a or a. Use of first type, use of article a. See, a is used before the words beginning with consonants. Beginning with words beginning with consonants or singular countable nouns or singular countable nouns. For example, a girl, a map, then a lion, a table. See, a is used before the words beginning with consonants or singular countable nouns. For example, a girl, a map, a lion, a table. Second rule of using a is used before words, letters, numbers which sound like they begin with consonants even if the first letter is vowel. I will repeat. A is used before words, letters, numbers which sound like they begin with consonants even if the first letter is a vowel. For example, a university. For example, a university, a European, then a union, etc. Then a is used before numerical distance or period. A is used before numerical distance or period. For example, a million. See, a million, 1,000, then 3 years, 3 years or a 5 kilometer, etc. Kilometers. Now you are going to see rules of using article and. See, and is used before words beginning with vowels. Beginning with vowels. You know vowels? A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, an egg, an ice cream, an orange, and an umbrella. Umbrella. Then second rule of using and is used before words, before consonants beginning with vowel sounds. See, before consonants beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an, MA, then an honest, an honor, an MP, etc. Now you are going to see rules of using definite article the. See, A is used before. See, A is used before one and only one thing or unique thing. See, one and only one thing or unique thing. For example, see, the sun, the moon, the earth. First rule is the is used before one and only one thing or unique thing. Sun, moon, earth. Second rule is the is used with a superlative adjective. With a superlative adjective. See, for example, he is the tallest boy in the class. Second example is, it is the oldest building in the town. Third rule is, the is used when one noun represents the whole class. See, when one noun represents the whole class. For example, the elephant is a big animal. Here we have used the before elephant because elephant represents the whole class. Then the horse is a faithful animal. Faithful animal. Here also the is used before horse because horse represents the whole class. Then our fourth rule is the is used before the name of direction. You know directions. Before name of direction. You know directions. For example, the south, the north, the west, etc. etc. Then next rule is rule number 5. The is used before name of river. Name of river. Before name of river. For example, the Ganga, the Godavari, the Godavari. Then next rule is the is used before the name of ocean. You know names of oceans. Before name of ocean. For example, the Atlantic, the Pacific are the names of oceans. Then rule number 7. Rule number 7. The is used before the name of island. Before name of islands. For example, the Andamans, the Nicobars are the names of islands. Then next rule is the is used before the name of canals. Name of canal. For example, Panama. Then next rule is the is used before the name of newspapers. Name of newspapers. For example, the Times of India, the Indian Express, the Indian Express. Then rule number 10. The is used before the name of musical instruments. Before the name of musical instruments. For example, the tabla, the harmonium, the guitar, etc. Then the is used before names of epics or holy books. Epics or holy books. For example, the Ramayana, the Dasbodh, the Quran, the Quran. Then next rule is the is used before resident of any country or nationality or region of a person to which he belongs. For example, the Indian, the Bengali, etc. The is used before name of particular building. For example, the Rashtrapati Bhavan is situated in New Delhi. Then the is used before adjective of number. Before adjective of number. For example, the first, the second, etc. Now, at last you are going to see when to not use articles or omissions of articles. Rules of omission of articles. Omission of articles. First rule is we cannot use article before the names of countries. For example, Japan, France, Italy. Japan, France, Italy. Then you cannot use articles before the name of languages. English, for example, English, Hindi, etc. Then we cannot use article before the name of meals. Meals, lunch, dinner. Then we cannot use articles before proper noun. Proper noun means Ram, Sagar, Satara, Karad, etc. Then you cannot use articles before material noun. For example, water, milk, then gold, silver, etc. See, we cannot use article before collective noun. For example, people, society, mankind, etc. Then you cannot use articles before the names of day. Day means before names of day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Then you cannot use article before the name of month. Means January, February, March, July, etc. You cannot use articles before the name of season. For example, autumn, spring, etc. We cannot use articles before a common noun. Common noun means friend or brother, and you cannot use articles before rank or title. Before rank or title. For example, King Akbar, Dr. Shah, etc. In this way, we have studied what is article, which are various types of articles, then various uses, various rules of using articles, and when not to use article. Students, I think you have enjoyed the lecture. Thank you all for peaceful cooperation.